Are you looking for privacy poolside? I've got it here. I've got southern exposure with no indecent exposure at this gorgeous home in the luxury gated community of Griffin Ranch, La Quinta. I can't wait to show it to you. This generous floor plan creates many separate living spaces, while walls of glass disappear for indoor-outdoor living flowing seamlessly. The well-appointed kitchen with oversized island offers a serving window to outdoor bar seating. Perfect for seamless indoor-outdoor entertaining, a private, well-manicured south-facing yard is wrapped in lush hedging and coveted southern exposure keeps the pool warmer year-round, and motorized awnings and screens add shade and cooling. Well-maintained, beautifully appointed, with many additional upgrades, this special home is move-in ready in Griffin Ranch.